Hello everyone, again this is Tejal from Sunmal Software and today I'm going to explain you how to add departments. So let's start. Just click on inventory module, then select departments submodule and just go on this four dots and click on add department. I'm just adding department name as dep1 code. If you want to set this department as service department, then select as yes. If no, then keep it as it is. If you want to show it online, then keep it yes, and if no, then select no and save it. Your department will be added. You can view, edit, delete that department through these actions, and you can quick search your department in this filter, and you can refresh the search data through using this refresh button. That's it. Thank you. If you get any queries, then please get in touch with us at contact us at the redsunmallsoftware.com.